Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin the change while still knitting with the old color. Work to the stitch before the swap, leaving a 6/8 tail of the incoming yarn. Hold both yarns together, pass the new yarn under the old yarn as you insert the needle for the first stitch in the new color. This creates a neat join without knots. Once done, pull both tails snugly, but not tight to avoid puckering, and continue knitting with the new yarn as your working yarn. You stabilize the join by knitting the first 2 to 3 stitches using both yarns together. This locks the transition so loops don't slip. Then drop the old yarn, leaving its tail along the wrong side, carry it for about 1 to 2 inches, and then tuck it in or weave later. Make sure to maintain stitch tension so the edge lies flat. Once a few rows are worked in the new color, trim or weave the tails securely with a tapestry needle to hide them and strengthen the join. You finish by weaving tails and blocking the piece so joins relax and even out. If your edge looks tight, ease the surrounding stitches with the tip of a needle. If it's loose, tighten the first new stitch slightly. For visible ladders between needles, pick up and redistribute the loose loops or work a twisted stitch to close gaps. If colors pool or stripe oddly, change the swap position by 1 or 2 stitches on the next row to stagger joins and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.